Air is necessary for combustion. We shall prove this by this simple activity. We have fixed this candle on this wooden block. Now we are going to cover this candle with this chimney. As you can see, the candle continues to burn brightly. Now we are going to cover this chimney with this glass plate and see what happens. As you can see, the candle goes off. This is because the candle have used all the air present in this chimney and there is no air available. So this activity proves that air is necessary for combustion.